Looking for a super healthy and tasty breakfast packed with protein and fiber? Let us make Andhra's favorite breakfast, which is Millet Pesarattu. Let's get to the ingredients. This is green gram dal, also known as moong dal, rich in healthy nutrients. This is foxtail millet, rich in nutrients, supports weight management and diabetic-friendly. Millet and green gram dal should be in equal quantities. You can take any millet of your choice. Please comment which millet you are going to try in this recipe. We are taking dash of ginger, curry leaves and coriander and few green chilies. We'll start by soaking these two for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. To save preparation time, I have already soaked it. Let's try. Also, we'll add remaining ingredients. Now add salt as per the taste. While grinding, don't add too much water, otherwise batter will be too runny. Make sure batter should be smooth and spreadable, like this. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make spicy tomato chutney that goes perfectly with millet pesarattu. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now add few garlic cloves. Add 3 large tomatoes chopped. Add green chilies. Saute for 1 minute. Cover and cook until the tomatoes are soft and fully cooked. Stay with me till the end. I will show you how to get the perfect crispy pesarattu every time. If you have any problem in following my recipes, please drop a comment and don't forget to hit the like button. Now we'll add little bit of tamarind to add tangy flavor. We'll also add some mint leaves. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. You can also add roasted sesame to enhance the flavor. Add salt as per taste. Let it cool and then grind. Spicy tangy tomato chutney is ready. Now we'll start making pesarattu. To get that perfect crispiness, always use a thick and heavy bottom tawa. And make sure that your tawa is well seasoned. If you want to eat healthy and tasty, this recipe is a must try. Save this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more millet powered breakfast. And there you go, your nutritious millet pesarattu is ready. Serve it hot with spicy tangy tomato chutney. Tell us in the comments what is your favorite millet dish. We might feature it next.